Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look at the system restore feature in Microsoft Windows. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get on to the desktop. Okay, so now we are on our desktop. Let's go to the search bar and then type in system restore. Now once you start typing in the system, you see a menu pop up here. It says create a restore point. Just click on that. Now it opens up the system properties menu. We are not going to bother ourselves with all these menu items here. Let's go straight to create a restore point right now for the drives that have system protection turned on. That is just at the bottom of the menu. Click on the create button and now you name your restore point. I'm going to name this good condition. And then hit create. Now this system restore feature in Microsoft Windows, it helps you to revert your system to a previously good working condition anytime it experiences issues with the boot or functionality as a result of installing a new software, a new application that is not compatible with the operating system. Okay, so now it says the restore point was created successfully. Now what we have done is tell the computer, okay, save these system files and settings so that anytime we need it, we come back and then we pick it up and use. Sometimes you install an application, a software, a program, and then it distorts the functionality of your system. You don't get the machine working like it should be working. So in this kind of situation, you go back to system restore, you pick up the restore point that you have created, and then you can restore your system's files and settings back to a previous good working condition. I would suggest if you are on your PC right now, you create a restore point for future use. In our next video, we are going to look at how to use this particular restore point that we have created in our system. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.